Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw these really cute chips. Starting by drawing this rectangle shape for the box. I'm drawing two big circles for the eyes, and in these circles I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. Adding eyelashes, eyebrows and a smile, and then I'm going to add another line at the top of the box and an M for McDonald's. Then adding the chips, so I'm just adding rectangles coming out of the top of the box. You can do them any shape, any size that you want. I'm adding little faces to each of the chips, and I've done little different facial expressions for each of them. Got myself a black fine liner and I'm outlining the eye. So I'm going over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then I'm going to be using a black Sharpie to colour it in, leaving the two circles white. Pause this video now and go ahead and outline over all of the pencil lines that we drew, and then use a rubber to rub out any of the pencil that is still showing from underneath. I'm using a red Sharpie to colour in the main part of the box. Sharpie to colour in the chips and the M, and I'll be using a light orange Sharpie to colour in the strip. I'm using the same light orange Sharpie to shade all the chips, so I'm shading on the left side of all of the chips and the M shape. Getting a darker orange Sharpie to shade in the strip, and I'll be using a maroon Sharpie to shade in all of the red area. be shaded, and I'm just adding some lines in the white pen. And there are the finished chips. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!